Hey, it's Carmine from Umberto's, and this is Cooking with Carmine. So today we're gonna make penne alla vodka, one of the restaurant's most popular dishes. It's super easy to make. So we're gonna start out with a little bit of butter. We're gonna flash the pan with some vodka. Don't pour the alcohol over the flame. There we go. Wanna cook off the alcohol and get a suntan at the same time. Now we're gonna add some tomato sauce that I already made. We're gonna add some heavy cream, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of fresh parsley, and some grated cheese. So now we're just whisking everything together. When I mean super easy, almost ready. Now when we get that nice consistency, I'm gonna add the pasta to the sauce, move it around a little bit. Okay, so now we're ready to plate. A little bit more parsley on top. Never can have enough grated cheese. And bon appetit.